Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing day. It's holiday season. I cannot believe it. I feel like I was celebrating Christmas I don't know, a few months ago, but I guess we're celebrating again. I love Christmas and I'm super excited for the holidays because I'm going to visit my family this year, which I haven't seen in a very long time. I'm so grateful, so happy that I can do it. But anyway, today I have for you a unboxing from the brand Shapermint. They sent me this box and I'm super excited. It has their best sellers and I'm going to share with you what is inside of the box. And I wanted to say thank you to Shapermint for sponsoring this video. I am super grateful, and let's open the box. First, I wanted to read to you Shapermint. Say hello to all day comfort and shaping support. For me, it was very difficult to find shapewear that was comfortable, that I could feel confident in it, because they are always too tight, too restrictive, and I feel like I cannot move most of the time. There are not many brands that offer shapewear that is comfortable and that is plus size friendly, which I appreciate. So yes, if you are plus size like me and you're looking for shapewear that is comfortable, that will make you feel and look your best, I highly recommend them. I will be leaving in the info box a link to shop. They are having a sale. They have extended their Black Friday, Cyber Monday slash, well, I don't know. Yes, they have their Black Friday sale extended, which means that if something is $50, it's literally $19.
I'm gonna show you because this is not like a joke.
Here we have the Impetus all day, every day Coupe Cami that was $50. It's now $19. Okay? Yes. So yes, they are having great deals, and you can buy for yourself to make you feel comfortable and confident this holiday season in your skin tight dress and everything, but also for gifts. I think essentials are great gifts because hello, everyone needs, well, I live in New England, I need to use layers this season, but also if you live in Puerto Rico, let's say, I'm pretty sure you can wear Cami, and it's a versatile piece that you can wear with kimonos or vests, you know, different pieces. So yes, this is a good gift idea for yourself or for family and friends. So let's get started. I feel like I have been talking for a long time, but yeah. Okay, so let's open the box. All right, so here I have the this is like a little catalog. Let's see. It says the Body Positive Edition, movers and shapers. Meet our chief mom officer. We're empowering moms everywhere. I'm telling you, they're all about women empowerment. I love that. Oh, they gave me a code. Also, I'm going to leave in the info box a code for a discount. So you get a discount on top of the discount that is already applied on the website. I may or may not know what is inside of the box, but let's open it together again. This is the first item that is in the box. Daily Comfort Wire-Free Shaper Bra. Everything comes in a little bag like this, which I like. And this is the color white. I have to say, most of their items come in white, cream, and black. This bra is very stretchy, has a very stretchy material. It looks like it's a very well-made bra. It's not like cheaply made, or you know, that fabric that is like see-through. It's adjustable like a regular bra in the back. Okay, there we go. But also comes with an extender, so if you feel like you need one of these, you can use it. This is a size 3X. Most of the time I'm between 2X and 3X, but I feel like with them I'm 3X, which is my true size. And yes, one thing about them is that if you don't if you buy, let's say you buy something 3X and it's too big on you, you can exchange it for free. Also, they have a good return policy where you can return it within 60 days. is the wrong size, you can return it. You have 60 days, 2 months, which is a really long time to decide if you want to keep something or you want to return it, which is really good. They sent it in 2 other colors. This is the nude and black. Let me just take them out of the bag so I can show you how they look. Here it is, and it's like a full coverage bra. It doesn't have wires, so that means that it's super comfortable. A plus, I do not like to wear bras with wires. They are super uncomfortable. I can't. These bras have pad inside. All of them have bra extenders, so yes, super stretchy material, good quality. A yay in my book. Here I have the Impetus Coupe neck Cami. This Cami has adjustable straps. Again, I have the size 3X. You can use this as a layering piece under, for example, a turtleneck and then this on top, or as a regular shaperwear where you put the Cami first and then, let's say, a skin tight dress. There are many ways that you can use this Cami, but I personally would wear it on top of a turtleneck because it's cold outside, or with a blazer. It's again this stretchy material which makes you feel and look great. It's one of those Cami that you invest $19 and it will last you a long time because it's very well made and the quality is amazing. So yes. Here I have the Impetus Rule Your Destiny all day every day high-waisted shaper boy shorts. Yes, boy shorts. And this is in the color black. Again, size 3X. Oh, hello, hi, 3X. These are like faja, like pantalon faja, which means that it's like a regular short. So you can wear it like underneath a dress or something that you want coverage, but you also wear it as a faja. They have these which allows to keep everything in place. You know that sometimes you put a faja and como que se va para abajo, they roll, se enrollan para abajo. You don't want that. So these will keep everything in place and will make you feel really secure, you know what I mean? Okay, last but not least, this is the Impetus tear-proof shaping tights. Comfort all day, every day. Okay, I have to say something about this. If I don't, like, hello, hi. I already know how they fit. I'm obsessed with them, and I'm going to tell you why. Okay, let me just take this out of the bag. Okay. The reason why I love these tights so much is, okay, first of all, you see this, it looks kind of small, right? But it's super stretchy, okay? It's super comfortable. They are very opaque, which I really like, okay? Really like. And these tights will not rip or no se van a romper or anything. I have nails, and the struggle with me trying to put tights or leggings without, breaking them is real. I feel like if you wear this, it's already a faja, so you don't have to wear a faja on top of it. It's all in one. I wanted to share with you a holiday outfit idea. I'm wearing the Daily Comfort wire-free shaper bra, and because it's holiday season, I decided to wear this red satin blouse because it's sometimes difficult to pair a good bra with this shirt since the fabric is very satiny and it shows basically everything. So I'm wearing the top with black pants, some black boots, and this pink and red coat, which I adore and I love. It's perfect for the holiday season. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I will be leaving in the info box a code for a discount and also the link. Okay, kisses, and see you guys next time. Ciao.